In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order foreign currency using the Wells Fargo app. Whether you're planning an international trip, making an investment, or simply needing foreign cash, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. First, you'll want to open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the bottom navigation bar and look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to select either foreign exchange or order foreign currency, both of which will take you where you need to go for ordering your currency of choice. Next, it's time to choose the type of currency you require. The app provides a selection of currencies like euros, yen, and many others, so that you can travel without the hassle of exchanging cash upon arrival. Select the currency that suits your needs and then enter the exact amount you wish to order. It's a good idea to double check this amount to avoid any inconvenience later on. Now that you've chosen the currency and the amount, you'll be presented with delivery options. You can choose to have your currency delivered directly to your home, which offers added convenience, or you can elect to pick it up at a Wells Fargo branch nearby. Consider what works best for your schedule and geographic location when making this selection. Once your delivery option is selected, you'll be given a summary of your order. This is your opportunity to review the details and ensure everything is accurate. Check that the amount and type of currency are correct and verify the delivery method so there are no surprises. Satisfied with your order details, hit that Submit Order button to confirm your decision. And with that simple tap, you've successfully ordered foreign currency through the Wells Fargo app, all without leaving the comfort of your home. Navigating these steps is straightforward once you've done it the first time, making future orders even easier. Remember, ordering currency ahead of time can save you from hefty exchange fees at your destination, allowing you to focus more on enjoying your travels. If you run into any issues, Wells Fargo's customer support is available to help, ensuring a smooth process every step of the way. I hope this guide has made ordering foreign currency a simpler task for you and prepares you well for your upcoming adventures. Safe travels and enjoy your journey.